It's cold. We're giving up. Look at that sharp tail. Oh, is he gonna fly? 4 days it took us to find this sharp-tailed grouse. We heard there was reports of him back on Manitoulin Island, so we came back. Let's get a picture of it. Yeah. It's a new Ontario bird and a new life bird for me. And to see him foraging on the top of that tree, and then to wobble, wobble, wobble as they flew down. They're not great flyers, and they always announce their flight with their wobbles. Now you know why they get shot so much. Like, goodness. You gotta be quiet when you're flying.